guys, so now I will tell about how to calibrate multimeter analog for count ohm. First, prepare a multimeter and a set of probe cables. Second, install the probe cables according to its color and place. Then, attach the iron tip of the probe cable and turn the selector towards timestamp. Okay, and then see what happens on the multimeter. If the line moves to the right beyond the zero line on the multimeter count, turn the ohm adjustment knob to the left until the line is zero. Okay, now then zero. If the line moves but doesn't reach the zero line on the in ohm count, turn the ohm adjustment knob to the right until the line is zero. Okay, finally multimeter is ready to be used to calculate ohm. Thank you.